Greetings. In this little episode, we want to tackle a straight line example, which is approximately of the United Kingdom AS level. And it goes like this. For all values of m, show that the straight line 3 plus 5m times x minus 2 plus 7m times y minus 14 plus 16m in a bracket is equal to 0 will pass through the point of intersection of two fixed straight lines. And we want to find the equations of these two lines and their point of intersection. So we'll start by rearranging that first equation as follows. So in the first bracket, we have 3x minus 2y minus 14, plus, and in the second bracket, 5x minus 7y minus 16, all multiplied by m, equal to 0. Now, suppose that P has coordinates uv and that this is the point of intersection of the straight lines 3x minus 2y minus 14 is 0, and 5x minus 7y minus 16 is 0. Now, if you substitute the coordinates uv into the equation which I've marked as A, that will reduce the left-hand side to 0, and so uv is the point which the starred equation passes through for all values of m. And 3x minus 2y minus 14 equals 0, 5x minus 7y minus 16 is 0, are the equations of the two fixed straight lines. Then, solving those two equations simultaneously by the usual methods, multiply the first one by 5 and you get 15x minus 10y minus 70 equals 0, and the second by 3, get 15x minus 21y minus 48 is 0, and then subtracting you'll get 11y is 22 and y is 2, then substituting back into one of them you'll get 3x minus 2 times 2 minus 14 is 0, so 3x is 18 and x is 6, so the intersection point is 6, 2. And that really finishes what we set out to do. Now just put a finishing remark here, that if you go back to the original equation, the start one, and assign any two values to m, for example, m equals 0 and m equals 1, we'll get the equations 3x minus 2y minus 14 equals 0, and 8x minus 9y minus 30 is 0. And solving those two, I think you will find you will get the results that x is 6 and y is 2. Just for experiment, you can pick out another pair and another pair and another pair just to convince yourself. Right. So that does us. Thanks very much for listening.